Alright guys, so today we're going to be changing the radiator and the truck. Unfortunate event happened yesterday, blew up the radiator. I'll show you guys what happened once I get there. But right now I'm picking her up. It's our fresh radiator. You know, we have to go to the dealer and pick her up. $396. I ended up getting the fuel filter. So we're gonna get to changing this radiator out. Show you guys what ended up happening to it. Oh yeah, and subscribe if you're not already. On the road to 1,000, almost there. Okay, so this would happen after yesterday's damage. So I didn't secure this down with the tabs. I probably should have just, you know, clipped this right into here and this wouldn't have moved. But this moved, ended up flinging all the way down here into the fan. Got caught in the fan, and the fan pretty much hit, or the wire hit, put a nice big hole in the radiator. Brand new radiator. This radiator probably only has like 3,000 or 4,000 miles on it, but you know, stuff happens, life happens. We're gonna get to swapping it out for you guys. I guess this ended up turning into a how-to kind of thing, but yeah. So upper radiator hose, lower radiator hose, and then I didn't put these back, but most of the time you have screws here, and one on the other side and one on the bottom, and then yeah, overflow, take that off. But I'm gonna show you guys step by step once I get to it. Okay, so we're at the bottom of the truck. You want to take the lower hose off, take the little snap ring off. You do not want to lose this little snap ring, because if you lose this, the dealer doesn't sell it by itself. You might have to source it somewhere if you can. The dealer only sells the lower radiator hose, so that is a like $160 fuck up if you lose this little snap ring. So yeah, don't lose that. Once you take it off and put it somewhere safe, and then I'll show you guys once this fluid's coming out of her. Do not lose this. Comes the fun part. Uh-oh. about to move. I'm about to move. Y'all gonna have to hold on. Told y'all it was coming. All my coolant. That's his little job. He ain't ready for it. Drain that radiator. Come get this upper. While that's flowing out, get that upper. My truck's cold, so probably won't leak too much out of here. Alright, almost close. We got 2 tranny lines on the bottom. I'm gonna do those last. Yeah, we got a trans out and a trans in line right there. So I'm gonna do those last. 2 bolts, one on this side, one on this side. But yeah, 2 bolts on both sides. The trans lines, they have the C-clamp too. I didn't end up losing one of those, so you probably don't want to lose one of those either. That was probably Alright, she's out. It's kind of a pain, but it's going now. Fucking intercooler's still looking good. Everything's still looking good. Yeah, so it was just literally the wire and the fan, you know. Hit this, put a big hole in it, and screwed it all up. Brand new radiator. Slippery slope. Alright, so pretty much the reverse process. Upper hose, overflow, tranny lines, done deal. Fill her up, put some coolant in there. Top it off, probably half a quart of trans fluid. And we're done here. Okay, putting coolant in it. Just top the trans off. That's what kind of trans fluid it takes. Just put a quart of that in there. Probably didn't need a full quart, but it's alright. And then I'm gonna get the warm-up process going right now.